Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. In this video, we feature a gorgeous contemporary shipping container house in Anahola, Hawaii, United States. Welcome back. Perched on a hillside overlooking Moloaa Valley, the property has a gorgeous container house built on shared values of sustainability, uniqueness, and character with an industrial design. The house has got 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a separate art room, an office, a workshop on the lower level, and multiple covered terraces. Corrugated metal walls on the interior blend seamlessly with traditional board and batten siding. The airy living area has quirky design features that seamlessly intermingle with the plush comfort. The living space features a cozy lounge area fitted with comfy lounge chairs, a smart TV, and an elegant low-back swivel chair design which adds a contemporary flair to the lounge space. Behind the couch is a short stack of books sitting on a shelf. What makes the living room feel much bigger is the glass door openings onto the large covered terrace which doubles the living area to the outdoors. The terrace has a dining table offering a comfortable space to lounge and read, eat or chat with family and friends. From the lounge space is a contemporary kitchen. Nothing has been left to chance. The kitchen space features high-end stainless steel appliances, white cabinetry, stainless steel countertops, unlimited cooking and preparation area, a walk-in pantry, and fresh air from the slit kitchen window. The dining room, which is surrounded on the 3 sides of the large floor-to-ceiling windows, is a wonderfully peaceful space to start or end the day. The inspired contemporary interior features hardwood floors, artful light features, and thoughtful custom finishes throughout. From the living room is a luxurious contemporary bathroom equipped with a toilet, modern wash-hand basin, a large mirror, and enough bathroom space. The house has a cozy master bedroom. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with plenty of storage and floor-to-ceiling glass windows that allows the trade winds to stream through and the lighting with an airy floor plan. The master bathroom features a fully tiled, stylish bathroom with hotel-like finishes and fittings. The second ensuite bedroom is located in the remaining section of the house. The living spaces are fitted with full-height glass windows that maximizes on-day lighting, while a mix of recycled materials, including the signature containers, have been cleverly used to create an industrial chic effect. The interior walls are painted in light colors to make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. The property is wonderfully private, with ample acreage for gardening and growing things. The addition of balconies with wooden floors emphasizes the airiness of the property, suitable relaxing corners on a clear day. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible on the exterior, which brings out the industrial charm of the design. The house is fitted with a proper roof above the shipping containers to keep away harsh weather elements and to also give character to the house. Which part of this amazing shipping container project appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. You can support our YouTube channel by giving a thumbs up to this video and other videos on our channel to help YouTube recommend these to other viewers. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we feature amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.